So most of the husbands are German, Swiss, international, chuba ever, diba? So what happens is I have to speak in English so that your children can understand me and your husband can understand me. So we're gonna have a great show today, right? Are we gonna have a great show today? Yeah, of course! We are brought to you by ABS-CBN Europe, TFC, the Total Filipino Channel. Ayan, so, what's your name again? Jerry. Naku, Jerry, alam mo, I didn't know I was, when I arrived, I just actually arrived 3 hours ago, and I asked the kids, like, hey, what's the hip thing here? Oh, the hip thing here is they said this is the Nicolas Cage look. And I can actually see the Nicolas Cage look with among the other boys there, see? You see that guy drinking beer? Yeah, there, raise your hand there. That's a Nicolas Cage look. This is a Nicolas Cage look. The other one over there, guys would actually shave their heads here and retain some here just to achieve the Nicolas Cage look. And it was something to do with your language. You see, what is good evening, ladies and gentlemen, again? Good Abend, Damen und Herren, diba? Good Abend is good evening, Damen und Herren. Kumakasin na ba yung laway ko anong ilan? Ladies and gentlemen, diba? Ganun. It's always like that. It's also hard, like what do you call the street? The street? Straten. Ano? Straten. When you sleep. Slaten. The virgins. Hindi kailangan ganun nag-straten. Jungfrau daw ang virgin. Kailangan straten, slaven, guten Abend, never fucking. Diba? How about the married women like me, the non-virgins? Broken hymen. How about Jerry over here? Bakit taben? Bakit taben na aking magbuhunan? Bakit tayo tumuto? Ay, Jerry, ako! Amoy tiger ba? What? Umiiyak kasi dito. Dito sa kabukaka pa kayo, para dalawa yung tumakakita. Gano'n ka naman ako, para isa lang yung yung isa gumaganon, is gumaganon din. Sige naman ako. Sabi na, hindi ko na tuloy alam. Hindi na nakakatawa. Bisaya ka tayo, no? Sus, sa halakhak mo palang, Bisaya, good. I'm actually half. My mommy is Ilongga, and my daddy is Bisaya. So I'm half Ilongga, half Bisaya. Yeah. I'm looking for a half man, half horse. Are you half man, half horse? Okay. No, I think you're half bald, half ano. No, okay. What we're going to do, Jerry, is I'm going to sing you a song because how many years have you been here?
8 years.
Kinakwento na niya ako in German. Kayari. Sana naiintindihan ko, diba? Okay, ayan. 8 years! So matagal-tagal. Hindi mo ba namimiss ang Pilipinas?
Of course.
Do you have TFC?
Yes. No.
You don't have TFC, but you plan to have TFC? I think you should do it now because if you do it now, you get a free 1-month subscription plus a windbreaker for only 59 euros. That's only 2 euros a day. 2 euros a day you can watch. Makakapanood kayo ng Wawawi, makakapanood kayo ng ANC, Balita, DZMM, DWRR, lahat ng mga pelikula sa Cinema One, pati yung mga TV shows ko sa Kapamilya One. So talaga dapat. So, magsusubscribe ka na ba ngayong araw na ito? Kailangan ngayong araw na ito para may libre. Sayang, 59 euro din yun. Ano, yes or no? Oh, kasi Jerry, 2 euro a day lang yan, ha? Nako, pero anyway, Jerry, para sa'yo, I would like to sing this song. I know you miss the Philippines. This song is actually for you and for me. Ladies and gentlemen, listen to the lyrics and you will understand why it's